Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log in Nordea net banking account. Nordea is leading Nordic universal bank that provides financial solution. To log into Nordea net banking, first open any web browser available on your device. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.nordea.com, then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to official website of Nordea. Now here you can see login option on top right section of the website. Click on login option. Then here you can see you can log into personal net bank, your business net bank or your corporate net bank. Now you can choose any of the net bank that you have. Then here choose the country. To do that, click on the country option. With that, you'll be taken to the login page. Now here to log into Nordea's net bank, click on login option. With that, here you can see various of login methods. Now here you can select the method that you want. If you select your bank ID, then here you need to scan your code. Start the bank ID app on your mobile device and tap on the QR button in the mobile application to scan the QR code on this page. With that, you'll be guided to the login process. Similarly, if you choose any of the three options, I am going on with Nordea ID device, then you need to enter your personal identity number. After you enter your personal identity number, you need to click on OK option. With that, you need to scan the QR code with Nordea ID device, then enter the PIN for the device to get a response code. After you get the response code, you need to enter the response code on the given box. After that, you need to click on OK option. With that, you'll be able to log into your Nordea net banking account. This is how we can log in Nordea net banking. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.